Hello, my name is Richard L. Wingett, and I have been building rockwork my entire career. And I'm here to share with you some more tips and tricks. So let's go. The tip is, when possible, you should always provide shelter for your workspace and team. It provides shade for the team and controls the effects of Mother Nature on the project while sculpting and painting. The best is clear plastic about 10 to 15 mil in thickness. If painting, try not to use the blue tarps, as they will cast a blue haze on the work you are coloring and give you a false look until the tarps come down. That's a surprise you don't want. If you don't have the tools you need to batten down plastic or tarps, here's a little trick to assist you in fighting the wind. You can quickly secure your tarps or plastic with these items: a few well-shaped small rocks, pliers, and some wire. Just wrap your tarp's edge or corner around a small rock and twist the wire around the tarp in a way that traps the rock in the pocket. This gives your wire something substantial to hold on to and helps prevent tarps or plastic from ripping and failing. Use as many as necessary considering your situation. That's it. Another tip and trick. I hope this helps you during your rockwork simulations. I'm Richard. Thanks again for watching.